The following explains HyService by Voith. This is Steve. He works at a hydroelectric power plant. Among other things, the facility supplies the nearby town with electricity. Therefore, it has to operate flawlessly day and night. Then trouble strikes. The temperature of a bearing in Steve's facility rises and rises. The machine fails, reducing the power supply and causing brownouts. Steve needs technical assistance and fast, but it's the weekend. How is he supposed to reach an expert now? Luckily, there's HyService by Voith. Our global service teams are available around the clock and can help with any problem. Our highly experienced specialists will quickly be able to determine a way to solve the issue. To help Steve, HyService swiftly dispatches an employee who inspects the plant and determines that the damaged components in the bearing need to be replaced. Steve can rely on HyService to help with that too. Within a short time, the replacement parts are delivered and installed. Most of the time, repairs can be avoided with HyService's preventative maintenance. A full suite of remote diagnostic tools mean that technicians can quickly find and fix problems in customer systems before they become critical, from anywhere, at any time. The expertise of our engineers and technicians in hydroelectric power makes us a reliable partner. Usually, the replacement part has to be individually manufactured, but that's no problem for us. From refurbishing entire hydroelectric power plants to replacing the tiniest bolt, we offer full service worldwide. John operates a hydroelectric power plant. The automation equipment at his plant is obsolete and no longer works properly. HyService by Voith offers on-site assistance here too. We'll handle inspection, refurbishment, and modernization to make sure John's facility is ready for the next decades. John and Steve are thrilled. Our competent and straightforward support has enabled them to solve their problems quickly. Their machines are operating reliably, and the power supply for the surrounding areas is secure. What's more, John and Steve can take advantage of full training and instruction from the HyService team. The Hydro School program is designed to transfer Voith's hydropower exchanges and transfer knowledge and add value to operations on all sides. Through a combination of theory and practice, participants can develop their skills using case studies, methodologies, and simulations. They'll even get to visit Voith's facilities and receive certification at the end. Try HyService by Voith yourself. HyService. Keep your energy flowing.